Unlocking the incredible health benefits of jackfruit. Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nutrition and wellness as we explore the remarkable health benefits of jackfruit. If you've never tried this tropical wonder before, you're in for a treat, both for your taste buds and your health. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest health and nutrition videos. Now, let's jump right in. Jackfruit, often dubbed as the vegetarian's meat, is packed with essential nutrients. It's an excellent source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, potassium, and several B vitamins. Plus, it's naturally low in calories and free from cholesterol and saturated fats. Are you looking to shed a few pounds? Jackfruit could be your secret weapon. Its high fiber content helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing your overall calorie intake. It's a win-win for those aiming for weight management. Jackfruit's potassium content is a game changer for heart health. It helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of strokes and heart attacks. Additionally, the antioxidants in jackfruit can lower bad cholesterol levels, keeping your ticker in top shape. A healthy gut is essential for overall well-being, and jackfruit can help you achieve that. The fiber in jackfruit aids in digestion and prevents constipation, while its natural sugars stimulate beneficial gut bacteria. Vitamin C is a superhero nutrient for your immune system, and jackfruit is brimming with it. Regular consumption can boost your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. Don't forget about your bones. Jackfruit is a source of calcium, which is crucial for strong bones and teeth. If you're lactose intolerant or just looking for plant-based sources of calcium, jackfruit is an excellent option. Surprisingly, jackfruit has a low glycemic index, making it a smart choice for those with diabetes. Its natural sugars are absorbed slowly, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Jackfruit is loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, carotenoids, and flavonoids. These compounds help fight off free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases and premature aging. And there you have it, folks, the incredible health benefits of jackfruit. Whether you're a vegetarian, a health-conscious individual, or just someone looking to try something new, adding jackfruit to your diet can do wonders for your overall well-being. Before you go, let us know in the comments below if you've ever tried jackfruit and how you like to enjoy it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for tuning in. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.